Hello everyone, welcome to course on AWS Cognito. In this course, we will see what is AWS Cognito and what are user pools and identity pools. Then we will go through what are different ways to use Cognito, like what is OAuth protocol and how to use Cognito with it. Then we will see how to use Cognito SDK and how SDK works at API level. And then we will also see how to integrate user pools and Cognito identity pools with third-party providers like Google. So let's get started. And at the end of course, after learning user pool and identity pool, we will utilize Cognito and S3 bucket with IAM roles to create this project named share my file, where user can sign in using Cognito or Google, and then user can upload some file and protect it by some password. So suppose I put this file here and protect it by password name, password 123. And once file is uploaded, then I can share my file with anyone, even if they are not authenticated. Only I had to share my email and the password that I used to protect the files. So this is my email, and the password is whatever password I give plus its extension. And this is in incognito window, so this user is not logged in, but they will still be able to download the file.